It's Naomi, and this is Improvisation Month here at Uptown Swing. What we worked with were just basic weight shifts, just walking slow to class or fast to class. So we had 2 count steps, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We turned those into 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, or 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, or 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, or 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm going to turn around and show that to you. On the left side, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. That was our box step. We had our hallelujahs. We had boogie forwards. And we had fishtails. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then we were late to class. And we had a step on every beat. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. We did Susie Q's. We did twists. We did Shorty George. So from the back, 1, 1, 1, 1. We did twists. Remember to be twisting your whole body. We did Shorty George. Remember not to be twisting. And then we had our Susie Q's, and we did them both ways. And that was it.